Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to give you some email marketing tips. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do product reviews just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, I'm going to give you some email marketing tips. So you're out there, you are driving traffic to your lead capture page, you're building an email list, but what do you do with that email list? Like, I have a lot of people that just kind of rely on the autoresponder series. You want to make sure you're sending out messages to your email list so they can get to know you and like you and trust you. And that's when people buy from you. So the first thing is to make sure you email your list, obviously, on a regular basis, at least 3 times a week. Some people recommend daily. Some people do email their list twice daily. Interestingly enough, I'm on a major marketer's list, and I only hear from him probably once every 2 months. So I wouldn't recommend that, because people are going to think that they're going to mark you as spam if you don't email them on a regular basis. And I recommend that you send out a broadcast, not just rely on the autoresponder series, because this is something that can be up to date in your everyday life. You can include stories, and that's the second point, is to provide valuable content in your emails, because you don't want to be somebody who's just constantly selling in every single email. And a good example is if you're on anyone's email list, like if you buy a Clickbank product, then you become on the email list of the owner of that product. And all I see, those people they're just constantly, every single email is selling a different product, and they never have anything where you get to know them as a person. And so you want to send out, obviously you're going to send out some that are selling, but to provide valuable content in your emails. And especially if you tell like a story, you're going to engage people, because they're going to get to know a little bit about you. And I would recommend also, if you have a YouTube channel, to send out your YouTube videos, because that's another way for people to get to know you and trust you, rather than just selling every single time. And you can send out, as far as valuable content, besides like YouTube videos, if you have tutorials, you can send those out. Also, you can give out something for free, like a free ebook or something that's really helped you in your journey. So that's just an idea what you can do on that. And then ask your subscribers to connect with you on different platforms so they can get to know you, because they only know you through email. I mean, they may have found you on social media, but if you ask them to connect with you on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, that way they can get to know you on different platforms and just know, like, and trust you again better, and that's when people will buy from you. And make sure you respond to any questions, and if you do, if you start to build a huge email list and you just don't have time, then you should outsource this, just because you want to make sure that you answer people's questions and get back with them, and that they know that you're a real person out there and really care about them. You're not just out there to sell them something, because that happens a lot. You'll get on a major marketer's list and you want to ask a question and you never hear an answer back, and to me, that's not good, because you, again, want people to know that you're a real person and you do care about them. And then the last thing I would say is to send out emails asking what they need help with. And because if you have an email list and no one opens your emails, you're going to be marked, you're not going to be getting into their inbox. You're going to go to the promotions tab, or you're going to be going into their spam. So when you have people that are responding back to you, that's good. So you can ask them what they need help with and how can you help them, those kind of questions, and then they'll respond back to you. I'm going to show you an example of really good email. Marissa Romero is someone that does a lot of YouTube marketing, and I love how she sends out her emails. You want them to be really easy to read. So her headline was "You Missed Out," and that's, your headline should be something where it creates curiosity, like you pretty much just have to click on it to see what it's about. But she will put her YouTube videos in here, and I really like how she does this with her YouTube thumbnail. here, and she'll have like maybe the last 3 or some valuable content like 10 ways to increase traffic, and like a product review, like which one is the best. So this is an idea of what you could do if you do have a YouTube channel, and it's just very simple. And then she has some other emails in here where if you put an emoji in your subject line, you see how that stands out from all her other emails. So that's another tip, is to put some type of emoji in there. And if you're not sure what to write, you can always get on someone's email list, like Marissa, and keep a swipe file. And just, you wouldn't copy her emails, but you would get ideas from it and change it up a little bit to make it your own. But you can get an idea of like what kind of subject lines get your attention, so that you click on them, and those are the headlines you want to use. And then you just look at, I do this a lot with, I'm on a lot of people's email list, and I see what they send out, and then I change it to match like my style and my voice. So you can just go into the body, you can change it up as you'd like, but it's just a lot easier when you have something to work off of. So those are just some tips that I would have for you on email marketing. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below the video, and if you have any other tips, share them with us in the comments, because we can all learn from some things that you found helpful in your email marketing. So I hope you guys found some value in this email marketing tips. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below this video. And also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendations for making money online as well as offline, and some incredible bonuses, you can check out the first 2 links in the description below this video. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.